Hi, this is JB and welcome back to my channel. And I would like to say hello to my 180 subscribers. Thank you so much guys for following. If you can share this to your friends and family para dumami naman tayo ng kahit konti. And how are you guys? I know that I haven't really posted a video for a while because I took a break from social media and that included taking a break from YouTube as well because it's part of my self-care routine, which leads me to our topic for this video. So if you want to know more about self-care, please keep on watching. So what is self-care and how can it help us take care of our mental health? So self-care is any deliberate action that we take in order to attend to our emotional, mental, and physical needs. So it's the little things that we do to take care of our overall well-being. And self-care is important because it can have long-term benefits on your mental health, which is important to take care of at this moment because of the pandemic, uh, and because of the limitations of the lockdown. So the pandemic really brought a lot of uncertainties. So it can expose people to anxiety and make people vulnerable to stress and depression and other mental health concerns. So it's really important that we pay attention to our mental health. And um, I hope that we take self care seriously because just like in physical health, right, we need to maintain our mental health also. So if you want to be physically healthy, we take vitamins, right? We go to regular checkup, we eat healthy food, we go to the gym or we exercise, we spend money, time, effort, and energy and put in the work because we know that it's important to be physically healthy. However, health is not just about physical health, it also includes mental health. So I've already discussed in my first video. So if you want to know more about mental health, its definition, you may just check the channel and go to my first video. Um, it's important because our mental health will allow us to function well, and at the same time, it can also allow us to reach our full potential. So, what are the things that we can do then to take care of our mental health? Good thing is there are so many things that we can do that we can explore to take care of our mental health. So in this video, what I will be sharing for you are the things that I know and some of the things that I do. However, you have to remember that in self-care, our individuality applies. So means that what works for me might not automatically mean that it would work for you also because we're all unique and we all cope differently. So what matters is you look for something that works for you, maybe based on my suggestions, or you can get ideas from my suggestion. So you look what works for you as long as it's healthy and adaptive. Because case in point, smoking can, to some people, can help alleviate stress. However, it has adverse effect on your physical health, so it's not really healthy. So we'll look for um, self-care options that's more healthy and adaptive. Okay, so I'd like to begin with our daily routine. So activities that are part of our daily routine, such as eating on time, eating something delicious. Medyo hindi nga lang tayo makapagsamgipsal ngayon because of we're, we're trying to stay safe from the virus, and we're also following the limitations of the community quarantine. But there are plenty of ways to get delicious food, right? You can have it delivered or you can even cook on your own if you know how to cook, right? And if you exercise or if you're on a diet, you can have your cheat day. And if you're working from home, um, do not forget to take breaks in between, especially when you're exhausted. So pag pagod na talaga, you need to rest. So you have to learn how to listen to your body. And sleeping on time is also very important. So make sure you get enough sleep every day. So doing these simple things can be part of your self-care already, and it doesn't really have to be complicated and expensive. Another thing that you can explore is exercise, which can boost not just your immune system and physical health, but also your mental health, because it can help you first with your sleep. It can improve your sleeping pattern, it can improve your emotion regulations, it can improve the way you respond to stressful situations. And um, exercise produces endorphins, which can help elevate your mood. If you are into meditating or reflecting, because it's not an easy thing to do. So sometimes I struggle with meditating also, but if you're into it, you need to continue doing it because it can help you clear your head, um, manage your thoughts, and even in assessing how you feel at a particular moment. And doing a relaxing hobby such as cooking, reading. So you need to allocate time for leisure because it's also beneficial for your mental health. And it's important that you schedule self care time and make sure that you honor it. So prior to the lockdown, we can just easily take a self care trip to Baguio, to Maldives or Paris if you can afford it. But now we can't really travel, right? And but then again, self care does not have to be expensive also. So because we can't really travel right now, maybe we can schedule long walks in the neighborhood as long as it's allowed and it's safe. Or maybe Netflix time with your family or Zoom sessions with your friends. You can also do that. And when you allocate the time, make sure that you honor it because we're always busy. As individuals, we're always busy, we're always preoccupied with things at work, at school, or even family issues, finances. So we might easily neglect self care time if we don't intentionally do it. And now that we are in a place, now that we are in a pandemic, and for people who are coming from a place of privilege, they try to help as many people as they can, right? And it's okay. But do not forget that it's also okay to say no to others and say yes to yourself from time to time, um, because we need to prioritize ourselves and remember that self care is not selfish. And I think it's essential for us human beings to attend to our needs first before we can help other people. So there you have it, guys. So there could be more. If you want more self-care tips, just let me know in the comment section. And if there's anything specific, mental health questions that you would like me to discuss in my next videos, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll discuss it in my next videos. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself always, not just your physical, but your mental health too.